And so you have applied in Quikr.com without the fee joining this work. Can I tell you about the work? So you have also posted an ad on any classified website that you are looking for part-time home-based online data entry work, and now you are receiving a messages or a call from the other side that we have seen your ad and there's a work for you which you can do from your laptop, mobile phone, and in a month you can earn 20 to 30,000 rupee. So here let me tell you, but and after that they take your ID proof, your personal details, your address, your signature, photograph, and make you sign that stamp paper, contract, and agreement, and tell you it's a completely genuine work. You don't have to pay initially any registration or a joining fee. After that, if you're not able to complete the work, they will demand the money on the name of registration fee, cancellation, penalty fee, court fee. Otherwise, legal notice will be sent to your address. You have to come to the court. You have to pay in lakhs. So, in case and then they tell you that you have breached the contract under this section, and legal action will be taken case, and you have to come to the Gujarat court or a Maharashtra court. So in case you are also facing any issue from any part-time data entry, just contact us and get our help and save your time and money so that you don't face any issue from any sort of a data entry form filling, capture filling company. In case they are threatening you, contact us and get our help.